Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah with Sarah Plans Life, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Erin Condren seasonal surprise box. So I was not planning on ordering this box. I was not planning on buying the seasonal surprise boxes again, mainly because my first one was the summer one and I was so underwhelmed with it. But I ordered a couple things with her warehouse sale. It was my first order since all of the drama, and I was like, you know what? Like they're starting to make steps, to do good things. I'm like, so I'll just do it. But then they messed up my order and they forgot a couple things from my order. And I was like, I was really frustrated. So I emailed them. They corrected the problem. What they did is they just gave me a store credit because they were sold out of the things that I had ordered. So I had this store credit. I didn't want to order from them again because I've just decided I'm just going to use other planner brands. I've had a problem with quality control from them, and they're a big company, so I'm sure it's very easy for things to slip through the cracks, and that's okay. So, I'm just not really going to order from them much anymore. But since I had that credit and the fall surprise box came out that morning, I was like, okay, I'll just order the fall surprise box and that'll be it. So this is my last Erin Condren order. Ta-da! So I have not opened this yet. I have no idea what's inside. So you guys are going to be discovering this with me at the same time. And it's going to be a lot of fun. So let's just dive right in. Okay, so I zoomed you guys out a little bit so that I can open it. Oof, lordy. Okay, so the first thing that is on the box, the glare is kind of bad. I'm doing this like during the day. I don't have my lights set up, so it's just kind of this is super impromptu. All right, so the inside says fall is proof that change is beautiful, which I think is nice. Let's see, and then you open up all the fun packaging here, and we've got 2020 fall seasonal surprise boxes here. The theme is reduce stress, reorganize, and reset. There's a whole thing in there, and then there's this card that has all the things on it. So I'll kind of read those to you as I pull them out. So the first thing I have here, it's a foldable ornament. So the 2-pack, it comes with 2 of them. It's a 2-pack paper ornament. It is a sneak peek, which means that they will be getting this in the shop, and it retails for $8. So I'm gonna bust open one of these so we can see kind of what it looks like in real life. So it's magnetic right here. So that's how it stays open. Boop, like that. It's actually really cute. I mean, I'm not a college student in a dorm room, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this, but it's cute. I'll give them that. Okay, so I got this back in front of me. The next thing on here is a set of gel pens. Okay, so I just moved the box to the side because with my lighting, the glare is just really bad. So I moved it over, turned on the overhead light. Everything's fine. So the second thing in the box is these gel pens. So one of the orders from my warehouse sale order was this notebook. So we're going to test out these pens. Okay, so it says this is a ballpoint pen set. It is a sneak peek, and it is $9.50 for the 3 of them, which I guess if you're talking like specialty pens, that's not horribly expensive. Ooh, those look fancy. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Ooh, hot damn, that's a good pen. Shoot. Okay, so I thought it would be purple, but it's not. So I wonder if this one is still black as well. Okay, so it looks like they're all black. Because I was like, those are some strong choices for pens. But if they're all black, they're just pretty on the outside. And those write really well, actually. I think I'll end up keeping these. These are very, that glare is awful. They're very pretty, and I've got little bit of shadowing on the paper. Not bad. I like these. I'll definitely use them. All right, so the next thing I'm pulling out is this decorative tape. Oh, I see. It's like little asterisks. The little, the Erin Condren asks. asterisks. The Erin Condren asterisks. So this decorative tape is also a sneak peek. It is $7. Okay, that's cute. I like it. I'm not sure like what I will use it for, it's interesting. I think it's weird that they're diving into this whole tape thing, because the last time they had it looked exactly like this, and it was like adhesive tape. And I was like, what are y'all doing? This is interesting. This is weird choices you're making. Okay, so the next thing I have in here are these hexagon sticky notes. I am a sucker for sticky notes. I will always have sticky notes nearby. Oh, this is the smallest. It's the smallest thing of sticky notes. I'm so confused. What a weird way to package this. So the hexagon sticky notes are also the sneak peek. It is $6.50. This is weird. I like sticky notes. I love sticky notes for pre-planning. This is the weirdest way to package this I have ever seen. What the heck? All right, and the next thing I've got here is, it's a large eraser. God. Who needs an eraser this big? Y'all, what are you doing? It's pretty, and it says you can always start over, which is cute, but who uses big erasers like this? This one I'm not going to open because I'm going to try and see if I can use that as a gift or something. This is a metallic stationery set. So it says, hello, friend. Keep your head up. Keep your heart strong. And then this one's just a fun design. You know, it's just a stationery set. It's nothing fancy, but it's cute. It is an exclusive for the box, and it's $10. It's an interesting thing to make an exclusive, because this, I think, would probably sell well on their site. But I'm sure they're going to come up with some other, like, branding of it that they will sell. All right, and then another thing, a cover. They didn't have a cover in the summer surprise box, and that was one of the things that I was like, I'm sure they will have covers, because they always do a cover. So this one, it is kind of purple with white. Can you see the camera right there? And it says, the best time for new beginnings is now, and I like it. I've been wanting a new cover for my planner, so there we go. And then another thing, let's see. So the cover was an exclusive. It is $13. And then another thing in here are these sticker sheets. These are an exclusive. They say they're $5. They're very pretty, and I like them. Okay, so the last thing in the box is this big guy. It is a pad folio set. It says, let's get it done on the cover. Let me take this off so you don't see me. Hello. Okay. Here's the pad folio. It's very beautiful. It says it's vegan leather. It is a sneak peek, so it will be coming to the website. And it is $28. Oh, snap, y'all. This is, wow. Okay, so this is what I expected from a seasonal surprise box. Like, this had a lot of really great high-ticket items, some, random weird ones, but it had like a really nice high-ticket item. It did not have this in the summer surprise box. That summer surprise box was a wah-wah kind of thing. This is amazing. Like, look at all these pads here. So they've got the two pads here. They are not sticky notes. They are regular pads of paper. They're thick paper too. These are really, really nice sheets of paper. And then these as well are also very thick. So this is really nice. You could use it for meal planning if you wanted to do meal planning, and then take it off and like put it on your fridge, which is something my husband likes when I put, meals on something and then put it on the fridge so that he can see it throughout the week. But this is really nice. This is really good, thick feeling paper. Yeah, that's not going through at all. That's really nice. That's really nice paper. It'll be interesting. I don't have like a desk job. I'm a stay-at-home mom, so I'm not quite sure what I would use this for. It's beautiful, but I'm not sure like where it fits in my life right now, but I like it. Okay, so overall, I think they did a good job. Mainly because of like these random weird things, like the foldable ornaments. These are cute, but I am a grown-ass woman. Like these, I don't know. There's just not things I use. And then the sticky notes, while I like the sticky notes themselves, the packaging of it is weird. Like, I feel like I must be missing something. You know, maybe I just did it wrong, but yeah. So that is it. Let me know what you think. Did you get a fall surprise box this time? Did you decide to skip? Let me know. And I will be back for my regular Plan With Me video on Monday. So I will see you guys then. Bye-bye.